Miss Wade found a relationship between the number of people in their household and the monthly amount spent on groceries. First thing we need to do is write the equation for the line of best fit. So we're going to add this table into Desmos. So we're going to click Add, Table, and then the top number of people will be the X. So we're going to enter that in, 3, 4, 2, 6, 5, and 7. And then we're going to enter in the monthly amount spent on the groceries. And we're going to double check that all of those are correct. Awesome. The magnifying glass is going to give us a visual of those. And to get the line of best fit, we type in kind of like y equals mx plus b, but we have to do the y1 because that's the column title. We call it squiggly, mx1 plus b. Okay. So the equation for the line of best fit is going to be y equals, and we use our slope. So the m here is our slope, so 26. And we can round that to 26.26. And remember, it's mx, so we're going to put the x there. And the b value from the line of best fit is 49.68 if we rounded it. So that is the equation for the line of best fit. What does the slope of the regression model represent? Okay, so the slope is this 26.26 number, and that is for every X. So that is for every person. We're going to be spending about $26 a person. So our answer choices show the total cost per month. That is incorrect. The average cost of groceries per person, that's what we're looking for. And then just to read through the rest of the answer choices, the number of people in the household. So the number of people in the household is going to be the X. That's not what we want. And then the amount spent on groceries each week, that's going to be or each month, each week, that's going to be our amount, a Y value. So our best answer is answer choice B. All right, and the next part says to predict how much a family of 9 would spend. Well, to make a prediction, we need the line of best fit, and we can plug in for a family of 9. Remember, 9 is the X, the number of people. So we're basically just going to use our equation, and we're going to plug in a 9 for the X. So we have our slope, which is 26.26, and we're going to plug in 9 and add on our y-intercept. All right, so if you had 9 people in your family, according to this problem, you would spend $286.01 on groceries for the month. To me, that really feels like it would be the week, but if you had 9 people, maybe even more than that for 9 people. All right, part D is the correlation coefficient. So the correlation coefficient is the R value, and that R value, not the R squared, but just the R value is over here, 0.9 equals 0.9817. So that is very strong, meaning that because it's close to 1, and meaning that the more people you have, the more money you're going to spend. All right. And if we look at the residual value for a family of 6, okay, residual, Desmos will do that residual for you. You can just click residuals, the plot button. And what that does is up here in our table, it's going to tell us the residual value. So we're going to look here at a family of 6. It was $201, but the prediction for that was apparently a little bit higher. So we're going to use the residual value right here beside a family of 6. And that residual value is going to be negative 6.21, or we'll just say 22. So the residuals, you just click and you can look here in your residuals column.